Dito na tayo mga ka-jammers, no, sa ano, kaso pa high tide na. Ba ano na tayo mamaya, ayan, no, laki ng waves. Doon, tatawid tayo doon. Basa yung ano natin. Kaya ano? Ang holy water dito daw sa Holy Snake. Ang Holy Snake nandito. Dito yung Holy Snake. Wala ko available na cash i-donate. Ganito. Ito yung ano, Holy Snake na sinasabi ng tour natin na yung tawag sa Bisaya na snake, sea snake na walwalo, yun ang considered nila as holy. Sinisamba nila. At saka yung sabi niya, pag may wish ka, hawakan mo yung sea snake. Mayroong sea snake. Moyat ka? Sea snake yun daw. Yeah, so bibigay tayo.
Siya mo ganun sa 1,000, dapat 5,000.
5,000? Okay, so try natin i-ano yung sea snake.
You can tap a snake and make a wish for the good luck.
There's a you can tap it and make wish. Make wish. So good luck. Not bad. Okay, not some bad. Because the snake protecting the temple and a lot of
Give us a good health.
Yeah, for good luck.
All the family.
Good luck, family.
Yeah,
Good luck
so
for
career.
business.
Thank you.
Yeah, not bad. The snake protecting the temple, not bad. Okay, not bad.
They will not bite.
The legend snake, so what the bear the king. Not bad.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Kita man?